have 465929. Bound for London Victoria. We're at Wandsworth Road, by the way. And anyways, here we have a random 378 departing bound for Clapham Junction. Oh, it's 378220. Oh, good spot. The next train to pass by will be a Southeastern 375. (375-903), bound for somewhere, I don't know. Next train to pass by will be another Southeastern Electro Star bound for Victoria. (375-828). Next train to pass by will be a Southeastern 465. (465-003) bound for Orpington. Okay, arriving now is the 1221 London Overground Windrush Line service to Dalston Junction. This is worked by 378147. Departing now is the 1221 London Overground Windrush Line service to Dalston Junction. Okay, the next train to pass by will be another Southeastern 465. (465-020) bound for Victoria. Okay, the next train to pass by will be a freight train. This is 66-120. Fucking hell, they sound amazing. Oh. Well, there goes a pair of 377s out of service. Damn, that was amazing. Okay, arriving now is the 1228 London Overground Windrush Line service to Clapham Junction. This is worked by 378221. Okay, departing now is the 1228 London Overground Windrush Line service to Clapham Junction. Okay, the next train to pass by will be a Southeastern 465. (465-050) bound for Gravesend. I swear I saw that at the station before. Maybe I did. Or maybe I didn't. I don't know. Okay, arriving now is the 1241 Windrush line service to Clapham Junction, worked by 378143. Okay, departing now is the 1241 Windrush line service to Clapham Junction. Okay, the next train to pass by will be another Southeastern 465. (465) 9:30 bound for Victoria. Okay, the next train to pass by will be a Southeastern Electrostar. (375) 828 bound for Ramsgate. I saw that at the station before, I remember. Okay, the next train to pass by will be another Southeastern 465. (465) 020 bound for Gillingham. Okay, the next train to pass by will be another Southeastern 465. (465) 919 bound for Orpington. Okay, the next train to pass by will be another Southeastern 465. (465) 023 bound for Victoria. Okay, the next train to pass by will be a Southeastern 377. 377512 leading. And on the rear is 377513. They're not in service, but I don't know where they're heading. The next train to pass by will be a pair of Southeastern 375s. (375) 626 and 375 807 bound for London Victoria.